This could be the car for you. The 2019 Toyota Sequoia. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Prepare to be wowed by this commanding Sequoia. As a powerful, full-size SUV, it has the features you need to make family adventures fun, safe, and luxuriously comfortable. With seating for up to 8 adults, cavernous cargo space, premium infotainment tech, and towing ability, you'll be poised to take on any project or road trip with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, 4-wheel drive, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated mirrors, backup camera, multi-zone AC. Strength blends with elegance in this tough yet luxurious Sequoia. Visit us for a test drive and meet our knowledgeable staff. We'll take excellent care of you.